Welcome back to Customer States, where we look at the worst mechanical nightmares. This customer brought their car in for their mandatory state inspection. Texas has just revoked needing to do this, so it looks like they won't need to have their car looked over again. This customer stated their oil change might be a little overdue and forgot to mention that their tires are held on with hopes and dreams. They then denied replacement tires. This customer brought her car in for a service and forgot to take out the chickens from the literal chicken coop in the back. Check out these daytime running lights on this new pickup. There is no way to turn them off as they are permanently on and blind literally everyone, even in the daytime. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.